Oh, good morning, everybody. It's raining profusely in Singapore, and I have just decided to come out and enjoy the rain. So I'm going to take a double-decker bus, sit on its top floor, take a front seat, and do some videography while the bus moves in the rain. And I'll show you how beautifully it is. So I had to put an umbrella right now till I reach the bus stop. So friends, I am on my way to my just nearby bus stop, and then I will show you that how beautiful a public transport journey can be in the rains. So I always say, don't wait for a moment, create a moment, which I am trying to do today. Well, I am almost there to my bus stop, and I'll show you how I board, how I take the seat, and then what is next. Yes, here she comes, my bus which I am going to board. Finally, I am at the top of the deck, front seat, and just see how the Singapore looks while it's raining. In the front mirror, there is no wiper, so you will have a bit of opacity, but still you can see most of the things. The wiper is only in the front of the driver's seat. So I'm going to travel a long distance from here just to enjoy the rains and body. Beautiful, isn't it? No chaos, no traffic jams. Bus moving at a quite fast speed, and mind you, it is the center of Singapore. So I am heading towards the church road. The greenery in the city amongst the high rises is really a heavenly experience. If one has to see the beauty of Singapore or the beauty of public transport, you must travel maximum by bus here. Disciplined traffic, everyone in its own lane, no rush, no overtaking. One thing I would like all of you to notice that the pathways are covered so that the public don't have any problem even in the rain or in the acute sun. You see the overbridge is also covered. People can easily just walk from one side to the other. The 6 lanes. Garbage being picked even in the rains. Look at this pathway, all covered. You don't need umbrellas. And most of the walkways are covered like this. And the beautiful greenery behind that walkway. And this is the road. Bus stop. See how no rush, just a few people walking up. my bus has to go straight, so it's late. Trying to change the lane. Yes. Succeeds. Now takes the rightmost, the center lane. It has to go straight. And the red line. See that how the car will maintain the distance from the front vehicle. Very disciplined. Now I am going to on the top of that overbridge, and we'll try to get some beautiful view from there for you guys. And for going, see the public facility, how much the government cares. Just even going on the for the overbridges to cross the road, there is an escalator. So now well, I am on the top now, and you see the famous Orchard Street, Orchard Road. From here, and I will be just going to the center of this overbridge, and then you can see the beautiful, what a greenery, everything washed. So that's how the nation is built. It's the training and the bringing up of the children of this country, that how disciplined everybody is. See the behaved school children at the bus stop. There you can see at far. Right? Let's see the other side. Here you go. And a fabulous greenery, well maintained, no extra foliage. So friends, I think I should stop here. The video is quite long, and just I wanted to show you how the country looks in the rains. So many times I have made videos of these places, but now I think I should take leave, and then I'll go home, just fix it up, and then post it for you. Thank you. So, getting back to my place. I have seen these things so many times, but today it was a slightly extraordinary weather, so I thought that I. So this is the Orchard MRT, Orchard Station. So beautifully organized. The business being done as usual, as magnificently as always. I have shown you, you people, a lot of videos of Orchard Street. So once I am here in this beautiful drizzling atmosphere, just have a look again, because it is the street which is being visited by each and every tourist coming to Singapore. I am really amazed to see that how a nation can make such an extraordinary progress in just 60 years of its independence.